Yes, guys, I hope you are all doing good. This is Easy, and I'm back on your screen. Okay, yeah, so congratulations for you watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining everything into detail about affiliate marketing. Those that are saying they don't understand, they don't know how it works. So now let me just take my time, and in just 4 minutes, let me explain how this affiliate marketing business is being done, so that at least if you are interested and you want to get started, you just take advantage of the offer I have for you in this video. So when you talk about affiliate marketing is a simple business where you connect companies marketing their products online with your smartphone. So affiliate marketing, you are using your smartphone, either your phone or your laptop, any other thing you have, you just use it, promote products online. You are using the smartphone to help companies promote their products online, and the company pays you every single week. You understand? So this is all about affiliate marketing. So companies like Jumia, Alibaba, Uber, Shoprite, Yango, I know you've been hearing about all these companies. Yes, these are affiliate marketing companies, and they need people to help them market their products, and they will pay you on every sale you made. If anyone buys a product through your link, now let me explain this for you to understand very well. All what I'm saying is affiliate marketing yɛ kwan wɔfa so a boa company bi ama no atɔn ne product. Nti woboa company no ma ne tɔn ne product na obi nya tɔ product ne fa wo link ne so a, you copied your link and the person purchased the product through your link, you've been awarded with a commission. Anytime someone purchases a product through your link, the company will give you a commission. And aside that, the company runs sales challenge, of which you can make crazy money from their sales challenge. You can go ahead, win television, you can win fridge, you can win iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone 16. You can win a whole lot with just your smartphone, helping companies promote their products. And with this one, it comes with just a one-time payment. You know, you can clearly bear witness with me that every business needs a starter capital. I'm working with Digistem. You understand? And with Digistem, you help the companies market their products online, of which the company pays you on any sale you made. So every sale you made, the company pays you. Look at this one of my students who got started with affiliate market. In his just first 7 days, he made $430 in just first 7 days. He was like, so easy, I just wrap up with my first 7 days and then made my first. Okay, this is almost 3,000 cedis. That's what he made. This is another one of my students. This screenshot, I took it today. He made his first two sales. That's $29. $29. Oh, that just calculated. Almost 300 cedis. Almost 300 cedis. Just today. Just today. You can see he's telling me another one, another sales, his second sale from this affiliate marketing business. This can actually be you only if you're also ready to get started with this affiliate marketing business. Now you ask me, say, Easy, what are the requirements for you listening to me to also get started? It just requires you can, I told you before that you can bear witness with me. Every business needs a starter capital, same as this one. So if you want to get started, just a one-time payment. You are making the one-time payment. The total cost is $650. I'll add you to my group where you learn how to do the marketing, where you learn everything you need to know about the business. Cashing out weekly. So if you are ready to get started now, instead of paying the actual 650, you are paying only 250 cedis. Yes, that's for you watching this video. I'll put my number on the screen. Just give me a call. I'll educate you more about how this affiliate marketing business works, how you can get in touch with the companies, helping them promote their business. You join my mentorship group. The only payment you are making is to get access with your company's account. That's your Digistem account. And with your company's account, that's where you can see the marketplace, where you have access to the product you are going to be promoting. So we have products like sexual weakness, weight loss, mini importation. All these are kind of products that are available on the company's platform, that I'll be educating you on the product that sells the most. I will educate you on the kind of product that when you start marketing, when you start selling, you will start making money as soon as possible. Are you with me? So now it's just left with you. It's just a one-time payment, 250. So just give me a call on this number on the screen now. When you make your payment, just give me a call that, or just call me, tell me, say, Easy, I've watched your full video on YouTube and I want to get started. Yeah, I'm just giving this offer to just 5 people. So if you are watching me, you want to be part of the 5 people that will be registering to. See, just look on your screen. This is Sandra. Sandra made 9,000. See, if you are watching this video and you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a dad, if you're an unemployed graduate, see, this opportunity is made for you. take advantage of this opportunity. Start this affiliate marketing business as a student, as a mom, as a dad, as an unemployed graduate. See, this is Vesti. He's an unemployed graduate. He's actually doing this affiliate marketing business and making over 2,000 cedis on weekly basis. This can actually be you. All you need is your smartphone. If you have your smartphone, you can read and write. Then this affiliate marketing business is actually made for you. See you on the next side. Make sure you call me on my phone number. You book your slot. You make just a one-time payment of 250. The way you see my students cashing out, that's the same way you're also going to get cash out. And let me tell you this. This is actually a skill. It's a skill. So it requires you to learn. When you make your payments, I'll add it to my group. I'll give you videos that you'll be watching. You will learn. You will still be in my group guiding you. It's a skill. So it requires you to learn. You understand? You will learn everything one by one and then focus on everything. And then after it can take someone like 2 days, 3 days. It can also take someone like 1 week. It can also take someone like 1 month for the person to start cashing out, since it's a skill. So it depends. Results are based on individual circumstances. Depend on your effort you put in the business. That depends how much you'll be making on weekly basis. I wish you the best of luck. If you want to live the life you want, sitting at the comfort of your home, relaxing, you can go anywhere you want, you can buy anything you want. Like, I know that's the kind of life you want. And let me tell you this one thing. If you don't get started now and you are like, say easy, the 250 is expensive, say easy, I don't have money. See, this is what I want to tell you. Either you register now or you don't register now. That 250 cedis, you will spend it. It's very true. Either you register now or you don't. That 250 cedis, you spend it. So what is stopping you from paying just 250 cedis to see? If you don't have the full 250 cedis, I told you I'm just helping 5 people. If you want to be part of the 5 people, you can make half payment. Then tomorrow you just add the balance to get your account, get started. Anything or anyone, any way you want it, just give me a call on my number and then we just get started. I wish you the best of luck. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe and share this video to your friends. I'm out.